Today we're going to answer the question, how do you know when you're done wet sanding a car? Whether it's primer, paint, or clear. We'll be wet sanding the way most body shops still do it today. A bucket of water with a few drops of dish soap, a half sheet of wet sanding paper, fold it over like that, a rag, and a squeegee. You can wet sand with a guide coat or without. It just depends on what you like. The guide coat helps you see a little bit better, so we're just going to hit it with very super light coat. And you'll be able to see those dots when you wet sand. So to start, we'll just get it wet with the rag, and we're going to hold the rag up here and give it some water when we need it. If it starts to drag, you give it more water. And you're going to sand this way, and even around in circles. Now what you're looking for is to sand out all the orange peel and any imperfections. And that's it. Once that's done, you're done. And I'm going to go around in a circle right here on that body line or that flare. Okay, that should be good for that. And you can take your squeegee, just do that. And let me give you a close-up shot of what that looks like and if there's any problems with it. Up close, you can see right here, it's all smooth, down to 400 grit scratches, no orange peel, no black guide coat showing through. Down here, you can see a little bit of guide coat showing through. It needs to be sanded some more. Over here, you can see a little bit of orange peel here, where some guide coat showing through, and the same here. So you're going to want it all smooth, all down to 400 grit scratches, flat as glass. And to me, wet sanding is actually pretty relaxing. I like doing it. The paper cuts really fast when you're wet sanding. And again, you can go around in circles this way and this way. Sort of staying off the body line though. And you're just adding water as you go with this rag. If everything looks good up close, this is ready to be painted. And the best thing, we didn't sand through on any of the body lines or edges. I hope you enjoyed this video on when to stop wet sanding and when it's ready to be painted. If you did enjoy it and you'd like to get my latest videos, don't forget to hit the subscribe button.